some guy cleaning. She is, ain't she?
Yeah, she is gonna do it right. They gotta do get her a collar.
Yeah, he about to get her a bath.
Tell her she had all her medicine in her shots. She just needs them pills. It's a small bottle of pills.
Where you get them from?
No, they in her room, in her bed.
Oh.
She just gonna have a good time.
She said she need a collar.
I get a collar and some few toys, but when she take the pills?
Hey y'all. Hey y'all. So we are headed to. Well, we're at my aunt's house, picking up my mom's dog because my husband is taking her on the truck with him tomorrow. So Harley, her name is Harley, and she's about to go truck riding. I mean, on a vacation, a semi-vacation with my husband. Yeah, she's so cute. I might show y'all her. I don't know how the dog life work yet, but I'm gonna put her on my lap and put her seatbelt on, cause I don't know what else to do. Here she comes.
Or I can hold her.
She's awesome.
No, come on.
There she goes. Use the bathroom, Harley. Use the bathroom. She smells something. Use the bathroom. She just looking.
Where are you gonna put her?
On my lap.
Can I put her on my lap?
Look at his face. Babe, you excited?
Mama, can I drink my?
Yeah. Go to sleep. Lay down.
You enjoy the view. You enjoy the scenery, Harley.
I got you, girl. I got you. I got you.
Then I should let it go. Wow, this is so cool.
Her mouth open now. She's smiling. Is she smiling?
No, that's how she
Dogs. Dogs.
What you find her?
Daddy, they wish I could ball. Oh, Daddy, you can fetch, Daddy. A toy fetch.
Oh,
You can.
she's cute. I can see why you got this.
Daddy.
I might find something she can bring back.
You must gonna leave that one in the car. That one. Look for her toy and the collars. And a leash.
Leash.
Leash?
Leash. Leash.
What is it? What is it called?
A leash. You said it right. I think you said it right. No, shit. No, I'm not getting all this stuff.
Exactly. She got one thing.
Come on, give me this ball. I gotta get her something she can see.
Yeah, that's good. Get the ball. Oh, yeah.
They're trying to
Figure
escape.
out how to get out.
They're trying to escape.
Parakeets are bad, too.
Yeah, you just figure out how to get out.
You gotta watch that one in the back.
I want to see that one. No, it says don't touch the glass. Please do not touch the glass. Hey. Hello. They're eating a sweet pain. I can't get up there. Them white things are sweet. Daddy, can you put me up there? That's their food. No, the white. You see the green things? Those are treats.
I know you heard his poor arm.
Beaver, Daddy?
Hamster.
Oh, hamster.
A guinea
What's
pig.
Guinea pig. Yeah, that's a guinea pig.
Now, those are cute to have. Stop, boy. What do you do, girl? That's tough. Look at that.
I can't hear you. Can't hear you.
Ain't that cute? It said Harley. She ready to go bye-bye now.
She's so pretty.
Okay, you gonna see Harley paint.
Yeah, you so pretty. You ready to go? Harley, are you ready for your trip? Yeah. Hey, mama. Hey, mama, you like that? That's so cute. Oh, look at Harley
Put
area.
our food down there.
Oh, y'all about to have so much fun.
So garbage.
Oh, you took my hot fries.
No, they in there.
Oh, y'all about to have fun. I'm jealous. EJ was up.
I'm pretty sure he got up.
let me hurt your back.
Girl, please.
That was a squat. That was a deadlift.
I didn't want your feet.
On the ride.